Hi guys, what's going on? It's RF Snaps. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. Today we are going on like a little Subaru meet here in Adelaide, Windy Point to Burwood. So this is my ride for the day. I'll show you little WRX things. Yeah. The number plate lies, it doesn't go bang at all. There's no bangs, sadly. Nah, that's a lie. It definitely goes bang pretty hard. This music's gonna get me copyrighted. But yeah, it's pretty damn nice. Not gonna lie. It definitely woke up my neighbors this morning. I'm probably gonna get a noise complaint later, but that's okay.
I see. Alright, bottles on me. Long as someone drink it, never drop the ball. Fuck it, y'all thinking. Making sure the young money ship is never sinking. About to set it off in this bitch, Jada Pinkett. I shouldn't have drove. Tell me how I'm getting home. You too fine to be laying down in bed alone. I could teach you how to speak my language, Rosetta Stone. I swear this life is like the sweetest thing I've ever known. About to go Thriller, Mike Jackson on these niggas. All I need's a fucking red jacket with some zippers. Super good Smitto, a package of the swishers. I did it overnight, it couldn't happen any quicker. Y'all know them, well fucking me either. But point the biggest skeptic out, I make them a believer. It wouldn't be the first time I done it, throwing hundreds when I should be throwing ones. Bitch, I run it.
How you doing?
Welcome back to the YouTube video.
Bro, it's always bicycles ruining the fun.
He's got the
Bro, what are
fucking car.
you doing?
Seriously, bros?
Yo, get off the road. Like, actual. Is that a BRZ?
Good content.
Good content. Do some skits. Ruining my fucking content. This guy. Bit slow.
Are you getting good content?
I mean, kinda.
Oh, I hope so.
Have a camera in your face at like 7 in the morning.
Yeah, get my good side.
Get my goods. Sheesh. I gave you some clout. Let's hope this video gets views now. Oh, the Subaru things. Subaru. More Subarus. Subarus everywhere, bro.
Bro, I thought this was an Evo, mate.
An Evo, mate? Yeah, we rocked up. Mitsubishi on me.
Same, but I really can't complain. Everything's kosher. 2 thumbs up, Eva and Roper. I really can't see the end getting any closer, but I'd rather still be the man when everything is over. So I'm riding through the city with my high beams on. Can you see me? Can you see me? Get your vibes in on. Y'all just do not fit the picture. Turn your widescreen on. If you thinking I'ma quit before I die, dream on. Man, they treat me like a legend. Am I really this cold?
don't come on this side, please.
Fucking Kyle. Luckily it was you.
I was like, they would have had to.
Oh no, I was on him up. Me and
Look at the lineup over there. Holy shit. That's all Subarus. From there to like down there. What the fuck? Nuts. Evo just doing fucking runs up and down Burwood. Constantly. I've never seen so many Subarus in my life.
Millions of them.
They are everywhere. What is this? That's kind of sick. That's not a Subaru. But RAA is gonna have a field day today. A lot of money going to their way today. Going head gasket heaven, bro. Bye. Say Hatchie. Bye, buddy. Have a good night. Oh, hello. We'll lose one, we gain another. It's like legit a never-ending Subi. That's not a Subi. We have made it to the Motor Museum. Easy. Alright, we are at the Motor Museum.
No, we're not.
What?
We're not at the Motor Museum.
Yes, we are.
We're at the aquarium.
We're at the aquarium. There's so many potholes. Oh! I don't like that sound. I don't even have a car, bro. That hurt me though. That was like losing a child.
I like how one part of the video you're in a Rexy, now you're in a Forester.
I'm in all the cars.
All of the above.
Yes, Subaru. All the Subarus everywhere.
Oh, fuck.
What happened?
Huh?
What happened?
The Windy Point lookout here.
Oh yeah, that was garbage.
So,
Whose idea was that? Yeah, it has one of those big ass shiny things. I think someone's on crack. Okay. What's going on here? There we go. A car that's worth more than all those Subarus combined. The Bugatti Veyron. Sheesh. This thing is a work of art. It still looks like a cockroach on wheels, but
It does,
it's not the prettiest car.
that shit's the dash as well.
Yeah. I don't know. It's got a nice interior, I give it that, but the outside, God, they need work. I have to say that the new one's pretty good. Let me know if I should get one of these for my first car. I reckon it'd be pretty good. Little pedal car. I don't actually know how you're meant to drive this. Are these for kids or like fully grown adults? How do you go from this design for a Holden to that? What was the designer's thinking? Like, how is that a good looking car? Like, this is, I don't actually know, it's really questionable, but this looks sick. Looks insane. Holden Heroes. This is nuts. Again, how do you go from that to that?
Why is there just stop commies here?
What is this? So many Commodores, bro. I wish we were in Japan, because at least you would see JDMs. I mean, Commodore. I actually don't know what that is. Yo, look, I can actually drive a car today. What are we driving?
I'm confused. Is this like...
Huh? Oh, it's electric.
It's electric, dude.
It's already better than your car. Jokes.
Hold on, let me figure it out.
I don't think it's going. Oh, he's actually going. Oh, look at him go. He's already doing what every Holden driver does. Oh. What is this?
Hold on, I'm not used to this.
Go on. Absolute madness.
This is actually really hard.
And the latest Skid King meet. My guy comes to a Subaru meet at the Motor Museum and doesn't even pick a Subaru. Picks a JDM.
How do I change my car?
How are you gonna do that?
How do you change car?
I don't know. I've never played Forza. I would say you click that select car button. Oh, you've only got one car. They've actually just gone, yeah, you're only allowed to have one car.
Can I buy it?
Just do it.
I've just spent all of the money on a GTR.
You spent all the money on a GTR.
Alright, now can we race?
He doesn't even know what he's doing.
There's no shift.
Are you going to Bathurst?
Yeah.
There's no shift, no nothing.
But there's a clutch.
Clutch, but there's no... Oh, it's paddle shifting.
Yeah. Oh no, I don't like this.
Why? It's actually like driving a car. I don't like driving a car. you put your foot on...
But this handle's worse than my car.
What is wrong with your wrist? Ready? When you turn your thing... Oh, okay. I might help back to put in reverse there. This is why I don't actually have a license. Alright, we got this. Alright. Bro, this feels weird.
I know, it's not like a great simulator.
Nah, this is like worse than the one my dad had. I know, I'm sorry, I'm redlining the crap out of this. Oh.
No, that would have been good.
I guess that works, right? What are you doing?
Rishi suck.
Mate, bro, you couldn't even go straight. So this is like low-key why I don't have a license. Absolute car deletes everywhere. Another car delete. A lot of Commodores. I'm kind of over Commodores. I see them everywhere, so why would I want to come to a museum? Just imagine if that just fell right now and just killed us all. Final Destination. This is tripping me out.
Is anyone having a vision right now?
That's the last holding off the line.
That one?
Yeah. That's why it's all signed by employees.
Bloody hell.
That's the last one ever made.
So they got the first one off the line and the last one.
All the Subarus everywhere. It is a hot day here in Adelaide though, low-key. Way too hot to be sitting here staring at cars. But hey, this is the life we signed up for. Which one? I don't know. Do I want that one? Or that one? I don't actually know. Or that one that's not there. Why did you point at that one?
Yeah, this one's pretty good.
I just get that one. That one. We're good. Bag secured. Got the mango logo. Got the Cornish pastry thingo. He's got a thingo.
I got a food.
A Rolex apparently. No, what'd you get? Some sausage roll and
Blue.
a A purple.
It's blue.
It's purple.
It's blue.
That's definitely purple. It's like purple blue. I don't know what it is.
It's a blend.
It's a blend. Damn. Alright, so it's really hot. We're now waiting to leave this joint because it's too fucking hot. He's absolutely passed out. Someone's gone bang.
Is that Aaron?
Nah, he's gone. I don't know where he is. And yeah, it's pretty dead around here. Just cars. It's too hot. Everyone's just sitting in their cars. They've gone to get food. So
I think this went for too long. They should have finished it at like midday.
exactly.
Because it's now 12:15.
It's too long. Absolute way
Plus,
too long.
Where we are, there's not even like anywhere around really.
There's nothing here.
Like you walk around the museum, that takes like half an hour.
Chick's calling your name Jackie. I told Jack that and he fucking lost it. I was like, that's Jack.
Time to go
I've gone
dirt
flying down this road. Oh, me and Jack went camping not far from here.
Really?
Yeah. Because I came down this road to go camping. And my car wasn't so low and I was fucking flying.
Guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the Subarus. No one blew a head gasket, so that's a good sign.
Yes.
RAA wasn't out. Well, they were actually with a Raptor, but that's okay. This R33 won't shut up, like right in front of us, but that's okay because it's a V-spec. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and make sure to subscribe, like, share it with your friends. Yeah, peace.